Introducing the Rough Terrain Mobile Crane Operator Training Simulator, part of the Vortex Training Solution Suite for construction cranes and heavy equipment. When your operators train on a Vortex simulator, they gain the real-world skills they need to operate heavy equipment safely, which means a lower risk of incidents on the worksite. In addition, a well-trained operator can dramatically improve machine productivity. Vortex simulators include best practice training exercises recommended by leading training schools and our lifting industry partners. All training exercises are designed with experienced equipment instructors for effective learning. With the Vortex Mobile Crane Training module, operators gain valuable experience in a safe environment, with no machine wear and tear and no risk to themselves or others. Every detail of the Mobile Crane Training module has been developed to provide the most realistic simulation-based training available on the market today. It simulates a 40-ton mobile crane with a 4-section 10 to 30 meter telescopic boom with a 28 meter lifting radius. The crane is equipped with a stowaway jib and inverted outrigger jacks, which can be deployed in various positions. The Vortex Simulator's optional motion platform reproduces the real feel of the crane in motion, as well as leaning into the load or reacting to overload conditions. The Vortex Simulator accurately reproduces real crane behavior in realistic worksites. It moves and reacts just like the real machine. From the seat, the operator view matches what you would see from the crane cab. Operators can select from 2 to 7 parts of line, depending on the lift requirements. The simulated crane is based on actual OEM machines, including accurate simulation of the hoisting system, displays, cables, and rigging. It's this accuracy that conditions trainees to operate the simulated crane exactly as they would a real crane, helping them develop real skills before setting foot on the job site. At the heart of the Vortex simulator is Vortex software, the leading engineering-grade simulation engine for lifting equipment. Vortex is not a game. It simulates real work, real job sites, and real equipment, down to validated and accurate simulation of all cables, slings, and crane components. The boom deflects depending on loading conditions, and the simulated crane will even overturn if overloaded. Rigging and hoisting cables are simulated using actual engineering properties, so that lines elongate under tension and slacken when loads are released. From the hoist drum to the load, all cables are simulated with high fidelity. This means that all load pendulums, snags, and collisions occur just as they would in the real world, providing valuable experience to students without endangering them or others. Students progress from basic exercises focusing on mobile crane controls handling to trailer loading and working in confined spaces. They'll learn the fundamentals of safe crane work, worksite awareness, crane setup, and load handling. Each exercise records operator metrics that are designed to objectively measure operator efficiency and accuracy. Worksites are very realistic and simulate the challenges of a busy job site, such as other equipment and workers operating close to the crane, visual distractions such as vehicles and pedestrians, and machine and worksite sounds. With a large working radius, operators learn to be aware of their surroundings and other workers on the site. Trainees experience lifelike visual effects, including shadows appropriate for the time of day and year, and weather effects such as rain, snow, and fog. The Vortex Mobile Crane Training module can be installed on any Vortex simulator hardware platform. Whether it's the entry-level desktop Vortex Trainer, the multi-display immersive Vortex Master Simulator with motion, or a containerized solution that brings the classroom to your trainees. Vortex simulators feature authentic seating and controls from lifting industry suppliers. Hot-sweppeble controls make it fast and easy to switch between control sets for training on many machines. It takes just a few minutes to swap controls and start training on a full fleet of cranes and heavy equipment in the Vortex Training Suite. From the instructor station, you can monitor the entire operation, create faults, change the weather, create audio and visual distractions, record student performance, and perform after-action review with the crew. It's a complete learning platform. Student performance metrics include time to complete tasks, number of pendulums and collisions, and more. Vortex simulators are used around the world by industry-leading equipment manufacturers, trade schools, and construction fleet owners. They are a proven and effective training tool for building real skills in safe worksites and improving operator performance. The realism and accuracy of Vortex simulators ensure that operators are learning real-world responses to real situations and skills that transfer to the worksite. At CM Labs, we believe that simulation-based training in combination with classroom theory and training on the worksite is the most effective way to build safe and efficient operators. Let us show you how. Visit cm-labs.com now to learn more, or call us at 1-514-287-1166.